Hola!
Hola, amigo.
It's our last day here in Barcelona. And today, going to go to some other places. Casa Batlló, Casa Milà. Um, we're gonna try to go to
The market?
the market and buy pasalubong. Alright, let's go! Oh, but before that, of course, we're gonna eat breakfast. Yay!
Hello. Hola pala, hola.
So we're here outside Casa Batlló. And magpipicture lang kami dito. We're not going in. But it's a nice building. Breakfast time. Yeah? Okay. Yay. We're gonna have breakfast here. Oh, wow. Nice. Hola. Wow. That's a lot of varieties to choose from. Here's our drinks. Yo. Yay. So this is our Spanish bread. So this one I ordered panini with Iberian ham and beef cheese. So and also the hot chocolate. Notice na makapal yung mga hot chocolate dito. Pang ilan ko na itong hot chocolate pero ito ang kakapal talaga nila. Para siyang hindi panulak.
Tinunaw literal.
Mm-hmm. Hindi siya panulak pa.
Nari tayo sa harap. Ano?
Salap.
Bagay pang breakfast kasi hindi siya aggressive.
Yeah. Ano laman yan? Mga salmon lang, tsaka cheese, meron?
Tomato, may lettuce, egg, salad. Hindi mo pinipin sa
Coffee mo masarap.
Oo, kabanta pa.
Kaya ka ipaglaban.
Kaya ang buhay.
So, our next destination for today is Casa Milà, which is right here. Casa Milà or La Pedrera. Ito meron siyang UNESCO logo. So, I think it's a heritage site. And tinan niyo yung pinto, ang ganda. And it is also one of the works of Gaudí. And you can also go inside for a tour. But again, see the photos outside. So I think it's one of the UNESCO sites dito sa Barcelona. Alright. Done with the photos and now going to our next destination. Where are we?
The Boqueria.
La Boqueria Market. So, gusto mo ham? Ang dami ham, oh. Ito yung kanilang market. Ito daw yung isa sa mga famous na markets dito eh. So you can buy variety of foods like seafood, may drinks, may ham. May tayong ham?
Uncooked pa na.
Wala naman kami actually bibilin talaga dito. But we're just here to see, random.
Check random.
May fruits din, oh. And then you can also eat it. Oh, this is. Oysters?
Pwede ito fresh kumain.
Want some?
Kaya tayo?
Busog pa ako eh, pero... So, nag-ikot-ikot lang kami dito sa La Boqueria and ang isang observation, ang daming Pinoy kasi nag-ikot-ikot kami sa mga store tapos ano yun, tinatanong din nila kung Pinoy kami, ganyan. Tapos, syempre, alam mo naman yun eh, parang may lokso ng dugo. So yeah, kakain ba tayo or kakain tayo?
Pwede.
May free taste kami ng nuts. Pilipino yung nagtitinda ng mga nuts. Pero hindi naman dahil sa Pilipinas. May free taste talaga. So, nandito tayo sa isang panaderia dito sa Spain. And I'm just asking for a friend Tuesday. Ayun niya sa akin. Pag bumili daw pa ako ng tinapay dito sa Spain, Spanish bread ang tawag. Ano kaya natin? Yung Spanish
Mali. Ang tawag dun ay Spain Desal.
Okay? You wanna buy? Ikaw ba? Ikaw kakain eh. So, oysters? Grand oysters or...
Basta ito, mas mali.
What's the difference? From France and from Spain. Okay. Dito tayo sa Spanya. One. Wow.
Lagi ako ng call. Fine.
Okay.
Saba mo na. Okay lang. Yung mga shells sa'yo. Yung mga shells
Hindi ka pa tayo nagbabayad.
Kita.
Yes. Sarap?
Okay lang.
Fresh? Bayad ka na daw, nisingil ka na.
Strawberry mango.
Naglalaban yung strawberry at mango, so
Sa mga asim?
parang wala akong malasahan.
Okay. Okay, patikim.
Okay, shopping time. And now, dito be, tingnan natin dito. Dito, tingnan natin.
Baka mapapili ka.
Ay, socks! Okay, so we're choosing our pasalubong. And then, we're gonna buy this one. The Barcelona Shopping. And then, these two. For $7.90 each. Okay.
650.
These are the rep magnets. Parang mas gusto ko yung Sagrada Familia niya. I think we can buy here na yung magnet. Parang same na naman sila.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one,
You want mugs? Ito pa pala oh. Parang hindi siya magnet, parang stand.
Stand, yeah.
Okay. So, we're just walking kasi bumili kami ng mga pasalubong. And then, nakita namin to, yung Basilica de Santa Maria. Also nice, Gothic church. No? I love it. here at Barceloneta Beach. Nice view. If you have extra time in Barcelona, you can just go there, relax. Right here. So, nandito kami sa Restaurant Salamanca for lunch. Come on!
Hola, dos.
Yes.
This way. Lady Laura. Oye, name of the reservation, please?
Daryl.
Daryl.
Ah, Darin.
Daryl, yeah. Si.
You want a wonderful view?
Yes, wonderful.
Yes, one plate over here.
Okay.
Hola.
Dos. Aquí arriba, aquí arriba. Bueno, bien, bien, vale, bueno. Aparte. Thank you.
Gracias.
Kid Browns,
Wow.
lobster,
Okay.
Lobster, oyster.
is possible mixed up.
Mix.
Mixed up.
Okay, this is our lunch view. So we're having lunch by the beach. Yay! And they gave us free olives, free bread. Yay! So this is their menu. They have their recommendation. Now we ordered the ham, plato de jamon, and then we ordered, of course, paella, black seafood paella for 18.65 per person. It's our last meal naman here na, so we're here at restaurant Salamanca, and then it's a restaurant by the beach. And then look at the surroundings. So taste natin yung ham nila. Good ham. Lasang ham. May bread pa. Parang yung mga ano lang, kinakain lang for breakfast. Dito ata, ewan ko kung dito yung Iberian. Iberian ang tawag dito.
I guess,
Mahap naman.
ba't para sakto lang?
Kasi parang siyang appetizer. Although medyo mahal dito.
Medyo.
Kaya mumulog ikaw niya kaya pag-uwi.
Then sa pricey side siya.
Itong plate ng ham na 20 euros. No?
Black rice.
Gracias.
You wanna stay a little bit more, or you wanna keep the rice, or wanna stay a little bit more for this one?
You can put it now. Yeah. Gracias. Yeah. So, dumating na siya, and just for the size reference, para sa aming dalawa. Oh my gosh. The seafood paella, black paella. And then the ham. Let's taste the paella. Paella. Wow. Gracias.
Pero itong sabi ko ba ito? Medyo toasted yung ilalim.
Go. At least matitikman natin both, no? Alright. Husgahan na. Ang sarap. Parang kahapon din, pero black ano lang siya. That's it.
Masarap ah. In-expect ko doon na medyo mas maposit yung lasa. Pero
Kasi ang black squid ink. Yun ata yung tawag na. Paella negra. Oh my god, so good. So this one is 18.65 per person, and the minimum order is for 2. 18.65 per person. More or less 40. Diba? But, sarap naman.
so far,
Squid. Malaman din siya.
squid. Wala pa ako nakakain squid. Pero syempre may hint sa identity. Clam, shrimp. Wala na akong alam na, wala na akong nakakapansin ng ibang lasa.
And then guys, may nagtanong na naman ng DJI kung ano daw yun. So DJI, baka naman.
Siguro magkakaroon tayo ng komisyon ng mga lagpas 5 na, no?
Oo.
Sarap.
Hmm.
Siguro hindi sobra-sobra. Parang maiyak ako. Pero masarap. Siguro yung ano kayo? First day. Gusto ko yun yung octopus.
Hmm. Okay.
Pas. Okay, ito tayo.
Sige.
Yung banda yan.
So we're just gonna chill here by the beach. And he's gonna fly. His
Parang
drone.
hindi ka masigap.
Look, oh, ganda ng view. This is where we ate, the Rsetaurant Salamanca. We spent 70 euros for our lunch. Nakakabusog naman siya. Sobrang busog. They gave us free dessert as well. Yeah. I'm just gonna chill here. We're gonna go. So, our last stop for today. Nandito kami sa Galeries Malda. And we're going to buy pasalubong.
Malda.
Ang daming mga shops for pasalubong. Let's go! Yan. So, they also sell the Messi shirts here because Messi played for the FC Barcelona, no? One time. That's why it's also their pride. So that ends our Barcelona vlog. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Adios!